Imagine, if you will, the power that lies within a single sneeze. Now, amplify that power 100-fold, and you're beginning to grasp the might of an elephant's sneeze. But what could possibly cause such a gargantuan creature to sneeze, and what would be the devastating aftermath? In the heart of the African savanna, a peaceful elephant was indulging in its daily routine, blissfully unaware of the chain of events about to unfold. A gust of wind blew, carrying with it a cloud of black pepper, a spice known to humans for its delightful kick, but a powerful irritant for our unsuspecting elephant. The pepper particles danced in the air, teasing and taunting, until they found their way into the elephant's gigantic trunk. The irritants worked their magic, triggering a reaction that no creature could suppress. The elephant's eyes watered, its body tensed, and then came the moment we've all been waiting for, the sneeze. But this was no ordinary sneeze. It was a force to be reckoned with, a thunderous explosion echoing across the plains. The power was unimaginable, like a freight train roaring through the silence of the night. Trees swayed as if bowing to an invisible force. Dust clouds billowed into the sky, and animals scattered in every direction, their instincts screaming danger. And then, as quickly as it started, it was over. The dust settled, the trees stood tall once more, and the animals cautiously emerged from their hiding places. But the landscape bore the signs of the recent turmoil, a testament to the raw power of the elephant's sneeze. In summary, the sneeze of an elephant, triggered by a mere cloud of black pepper, is a force of nature that can cause a surprising amount of destruction. It's a powerful reminder that even the most mundane occurrences, like a sneeze, can have astonishing consequences when scaled up to the size of an elephant. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember the elephant, and be thankful your sneezes aren't quite as earth-shattering.